Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. Once upon a time, a war broke out between the birds and the beasts of the earth. For a long while, the issue of the battle was uncertain. The bat, taking advantage of the fact that he had certain characteristics of both, kept aloof and remained neutral. The bird said, "Come with us." But he shook his head and said, "I am a beast." Later some of the animals approached him and asked him to join their side. "I am a bird," said he. In due course, a peace was concluded between the embattled birds and beasts. So the bat flew blithely up to the birds to join them in the rejoicings. But the birds gave him the cold shoulder and flew away. And the beasts gave him exactly the same treatment. Condemned by both sides and acknowledged by neither, the unhappy bat was obliged to sulk away and live in holes and corners, never caring to show his face except in the dusk of twilight. The name of the story: The Birds, the Beasts, and the Bat. And the moral: he wins a friendless who plays both sides against the middle. The second story. A wolf chanced to be looking through the doorway of a hut while some shepherds were comfortably regaling themselves upon a joint of mutton. As he heard them smack their lips over the juicy morsels and watched them carving the roasted carcass with their knives, his lips curled with scorn. Said he to himself, "These shepherds seem mightily pleased with themselves. But what would they do were they to observe me partaking of a similar supper?" The name of the story: The Wolf and the Shepherds. And the moral: men are too apt to condemn in others the very things they do themselves. Now, daily motivational quote. Study while others are sleeping. Walk while others are loafing. Prepare while others are playing. And dream while others are wishing. William A. Ward. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay at rest. Stay tuned.